In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a project to Behance. We'll walk through each step to make sure you have a rich, professional presentation for your creative work. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Behance account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll see an option labeled Share Your Work. Hover over this, then click on Project. This will open up the project editor where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the project editor, it's time to add your content. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the Add Content panel. This is your toolbox for uploading everything from images and videos to text blocks. Begin by selecting the elements you want to include and arranging them on the canvas. Take your time with this step to create a layout that best showcases your work. Remember, the way you present your project is your first impression to the viewers, so make it count. Once you're pleased with the arrangement of your content, look to the right side of your editor and click on Continue. In some versions, this button might also appear as Settings. This will bring you into the project settings, where you'll need to fill in some essential details in order to move forward with publishing. The first thing you'll need to do is upload a captivating cover image. This image acts as the visual lead for your project and will display in thumbnail views, so choose something eye-catching. Next, give your project a title that encapsulates the essence of your work. After settling on a title, select the appropriate creative field or fields that best describe your project. These selections will help guide viewers searching for particular types of works. To boost the visibility of your project, it's highly recommended to add tags. These serve as keywords that will help connect your work to relevant searches. You can also include the tools used to create your project, lending further insight into your process and helping to connect with others using the same platforms or tools. If you'd like to add more depth to your project presentation, you can do so by clicking on Co-Owners, Credits, and More. Here, you can add descriptions, list co-owners, and detail any additional information you think is necessary. It's also a good moment to set your copyright and license options, whether that's an all rights reserved or a more flexible Creative Commons license. Now, it's time to take a look at how everything comes together. Click Preview to see your project as it will appear to viewers. If you're satisfied with how things look, you have two options. Selecting Save keeps your project as a draft, while hitting Publish will make your work visible to the public on Behance. Finally, after publishing, remember that Behance allows you to return and make edits to your project at any time. You can manage these directly from your profile. Drafts you've saved can also be accessed here, ensuring that you can always work at your own pace. And there you have it. You've successfully added a project to Behance. Stay creative and happy sharing.